A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include cruise control, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, and much more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.